Welcome to Kuala Lumpur. If you're in need of a luxurious stay filled with food, swimming, rest, and views of Kuala Lumpur after a long flight, where better than Meridien? Meridien is part of the Marriott Group, and only 5 minutes walk from KL Central Station. If you're arriving from Kuala Lumpur's International Airport, the Clear Express runs every 20 minutes and takes about 30 minutes in journey time. Upon arrival, make a right, otherwise you'll end up in the Hilton, which is just as nice. The hotel underwent a refurbishment in the last few years, and the results are wonderful. The reception area has tall ceilings, which feature a beautiful purple aura, and to your right is the reception, the middle a coffee shop, the concierge and parking. Check-in completed, we're now heading up to the 22nd floor, which should make for some pretty good views. The swimming pool and gym can be found on the 8th floor, while the club lounge is on the 33rd. We will visit, but all in good time. The room is stunning and features a separate office and lounge area from the bedroom. And the lounge may seem a little dark, but that's because the sky is filled with cloud. Much like Singapore, the weather can be tropical and you should always bring an umbrella. The view in this room looks north towards the botanical gardens, and if you look down, if you're okay with the height, you can see the expressway and the hotel's swimming pool. While I head through into the bedroom, the full details and the price you pay for the room can all be found in the description below. It did take a while to get used to the frilly bedspread that ages the room, but overall the design is very homely and the bed is both comfortable and large. Combine that with the great setup for the curtains and there was barely any light entering the room. You should have a really good sleep, depending on your jet lag. And the bedroom features a second 50-inch TV, so you can chill in the lounge or watch it in bed. The bathroom comes complete with a dual sink setup, plenty of marble, and this well-appointed bathtub I'm sure to relax in later. On the other side of the bathroom is the shower, which beautifully uses this large alcove. Behind the glass door there's even a marble bench should you wish to sit under the water, and comes with Meridien's own branded body wash, shampoo and conditioner. The bathroom is well stocked with amenities. Nice additions include this vitamin B5 moisturiser, mouthwash and the lime scented soap. I'm hungry, so we'll head up to the 33rd floor for snacks. You can access the lounge either by going for an executive room or by having Marriott Platinum or higher status. The lounge is an impressive space, making the most of tinted mirrors, the double ceilings, and of course the views both left and right, to create a space that feels decadent, comfortable and relaxed. During the afternoon, light refreshments are served, a sort of afternoon tea. The lounge in the hotel is popular, and Marriott knows it has a captive audience. You can go out for food, but you probably get by with the food that's available. What I love is that they have a chef who prepares canapé type items during the evening meal. If you want to be impressed, just wait for the breakfast, but the evening meal in the lounge is a decent offering. Plenty of salad, dips, a cheese platter and various local cuisines. What really completed the meal and was an absolute delight was the glazed creme brulee. Back in the room, I'm delighted by the welcome gift, which is presented to guests who have loyalty status with the Marriott brand. A thank you for choosing us. Besides the very fetching design, the Madeleine cakes were both delicious and well presented. What a lovely way to spend the evening, in the bath, watching TV through the window. What was really good was the staff was so attentive, so I asked for a tea, milk, sugar, and what really made it was the fact that she brought the milk over, it was hot milk as well, but she's also frothed it as well, so I had that little extra and it was so much fun. And I would say the food is better than the JW Marriott, because there it was just all laid out as a buffet, but here there was someone like serving almost like a chef behind it, just made for a real proper experience. In the evening, Kuala Lumpur really comes alive, and it's an absolute delight to walk around. There's plenty of shopping malls to eat or explore, and the architecture is incredible. You could go see the Menara, or the world famous iconic Petronas Towers. Do you ever visit a hotel and suddenly realise that you have clearly no idea about food? And when you're back home struggling to come up with one thing to eat for breakfast, hotels like the Méridien have a nearly endless buffet of anything you could possibly desire. I mean, who knew there were so many types of yellow fruits? There is in fact so much choice that I've sort of run out of things to narrate about. They even have a very extensive smoothie section, sushi, and yum yum donuts at the bakery. So that was the breakfast downstairs on level 5. Now just going to go up to the lounge to see and compare the food there. But I'm so stuffed, I can't eat any more. As you can imagine, the lounge was much quieter, but the range of foods in the restaurant, I can see why. I did appreciate that they had the chef, who can do made-to-order items. So as you can see, the breakfast at the lounge is not quite as varied, but the views, the staff, it's quiet. This may be the most exciting part of this hotel, besides the view. Now go check out the pool. Perhaps this is a flavour of the old design of the hotel. I love the wood meeting the bright yellow and decadent red candle lighting. Beyond the glass doors is a walkway, which leads you around the entire property. In fact, I didn't realise I managed to walk into the Hilton Hotel. So interestingly, the first thing is, I think it's going to rain quite badly. The second thing is, the hotel pool is actually shared with Hilton. If the rain holds off, look for the yellow and white beach towels. Just beyond it is the hotel's poolside bar, and plenty of loungers. I'm in the bedroom of this absolutely beautiful suite. This is the second time we've stayed here, and everything about the hotel we love. The pool we didn't even see last time, because when we arrived it was dark outside. But when you look down from this view, you cannot believe just the shape and the size. It is so luxurious. As for the staff, they're so welcoming here and so friendly, and the food was so good. I loved the breakfast. So much variety. It took me so long to film because there's just so much to eat, and I only had one course because it's just so filling.